In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 fantastic email opt-ins that you can create to build your email list and grow your business. Hey, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified every week when we post new videos. Hi, I'm Kirsten Graham with Six Figure Business Coaching, and I have a question for you. How would your business and your revenue grow if you had, let's say, 1,000 prospects on your email list? Or what about 5,000? Email marketing still has one of the highest ROIs out there. And in today's video, we're going to talk about ways for you to build your email list and ultimately drive revenue to your company. But before we do that, I want to remind you to stay to the end of the video because we're going to have an amazing guide, a free guide available for you to learn more about email marketing and how to do it so that it actually converts the people on your email list into people who are buying your product or service. Before we jump into the 5 awesome opt-in ideas that I have for you today, I want to talk about the fact that when someone gives you their email address in return for something free, it's very important that you make sure that that opt-in has incredible value. Remember, they're giving you their email address because you've enticed them, you've told them about something fabulous that you're going to give them, and it represents you. So make sure that it is fabulous. Make sure it solves their problem. Make sure it's everything they expect it to be and then some, because that's going to help them build like and trust with you. They're going to see that you underpromise and overdeliver and give great value. The second tip is make sure that you brand your opt-in. You want it to look gorgeous. Your website looks great. Your landing pages look fabulous. You want to make sure that your opt-in is branded. So it has your name, your email address, it has, if you take phone calls, it has your phone number. You want to make sure that whatever it is clearly has your brand all over it and they cannot forget about who gave it to them. So if they're looking at it 6 months or a year later, they know it came from you and your company. So the first opt-in could be a guide or an ebook. This is where you take the knowledge that you have and your expertise and you put it into a simple guide or an ebook. Remember, you want it to have great content. It doesn't need to have a lot of fluff. It needs to solve a problem. Now, the second opt-in idea is a checklist. People love checklists, and life can be so overwhelming. So if you could provide them a checklist, here are the 15 things that you need to do to master email marketing. Or here are the 15 things that you need to do if you want to organize your closet. Here's a checklist. So there's so many great ideas for checklists, and it can be simple, but you can brand it and make it gorgeous. Just out of curiosity, in the comments below, let me know one of the most fantastic opt-ins you've ever received. Think about it. We all give our email addresses in return for things. So think about what was the best opt-in that you ever received and why did you like it so much? Tell us a little bit about that because it's going to get you thinking about your opt-in and maybe what you could provide. So opt-in number 3 are templates and swipe files. And these are fantastic because they are done for you. So this might be a swipe file of an email, a welcome email or a follow-up email series. And it could be something that they can use as is, or they may need to customize it. But people love templates and swipe files because the work is done for them. So it is a fantastic idea for an opt-in. So if there's something that you could provide like that, strongly consider it. Number 4 is webinars and workshops. One of our clients does bookkeeping for small businesses, and her opt-in is a workshop on everything you need to know about keeping your books for a small business. What is the IRS looking for? How do you keep your mileage? So this is a fantastic workshop that she's recorded, and it's always available. And so if someone's thinking about starting a business, obviously they might be worried about taxes. So they sign up for her workshop, and in return, she gets their email address, and then she continues to nurture that relationship. If she's done a great job teaching them in her workshop, they are going to like her and they are going to trust her, and they're very likely to hire her when they're ready to hire someone to do their bookkeeping. Number 5 is video training and tutorials. I love video because it helps people build a relationship with you. And one of our interior designers has done a phenomenal video tutorial on how to style a lanai. Now, we live in Florida, and back home that would have been called a screened-in porch. but in Florida, they're called a lanai. And so she does a video tutorial on completely how to style a lanai. So how to set up your seating area, how to set up, a sunset area so you can watch the sunset. And she showcases 3 different lanais that all are very different styles: contemporary, bohemian, somewhat modern. And she showcases how these lanais have been styled, just to give people ideas of what they can do with their own lanais. But what it does is it builds relationship with her and the person watching the video. And so this was a great opt-in, and it really paid off because people love learning, they love seeing video, and then they get to see what she can do. And they get to see that she can do several different styles, and they see that she's not a one-dimensional designer. So if there's a way for you to do a video tutorial or training, I highly recommend that. Video is, I think it's key to everything in this day and age, but it is a fantastic idea for an email opt-in. Hey, thanks for staying to the end of this video. As promised, there's a link below in the description for a free guide that will help you with your email marketing. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up so we know to create more videos just like this. Please make sure to check out these other 2 videos on email marketing. Again, ROI is fantastic and you want to master email marketing. Until we see you again, dream big.